In this session, we are going to see the concept of protocols. The definition is like this. A protocol defines a blueprint of methods, properties, and other requirements that suits to a particular task or piece of functionality. Basically, we can say protocol is a set of properties or set of methods which are related to specific task. These are simply rules or simply methods and properties with declaration, property declaration, not the implementation. Whereas class contains stored properties where it by default stored property where it can hold the value as well as method implementations. Whereas it comes to protocol is set of methods and variable declarations. So methods and property declaration, not the implementations. The protocol can then be adopted by a class, structure, or enum to provide actual implementation of those requirements. By using protocol can be adopted by classes, structures, or enums, where exactly we implement the functionality. Any type that satisfies to the requirement of a protocol is said to be conforms to protocol. Conforms to protocol means whoever follows the protocol rules, protocol methods, then that object is known as protocol conformance. The protocol syntax is a protocol is the keyword. You have to use the protocol name, and the protocol definition goes here. It contains properties and methods. Protocol can be adopted by classes. Example is similar to this: class name, and adoption goes with as a inheritance only. This is inheritance operator. Similarly, we can adopt the protocol and implement the methods. The class can contain regular methods along with some protocol methods. In Objective-C, protocol simply contains methods, whereas in Swift, protocol can contain properties as well as methods. Protocol doesn't specify the property is stored or computed. It just specifies the property is gettable and settable. You can simply declare a variable. While declaring a variable, you can specify whether the property is readable or only readable and writable. Protocol does contain type properties. Those are explicitly static keyword. Like protocol can also contain stored properties. We can also have stored properties, class level properties, and computed properties as well. But you don't specify while declaring. While implementing, you implement in such a way. This is simple protocol which contains two properties, which contains three properties actually, three different kind of properties. One is readable and writable. Get and set means you can read the value and you can set the value. Whereas it is only get. That means only you can read, and static property here you can get and set. We'll see example in detail, practical example. Yeah. Protocol is the general definition of protocol is a set of rules. Someone is not followed the protocol means someone is not followed the rules. Similarly, here we can declare some rules by using protocol. Whoever uses that protocol, they must implement the rules. let me create one protocol. Protocol is in what is this keyword, and the protocol name is arithmetic. Arithmetic is my protocol name, and I am going to have methods add a after int, b after int. It returns int. Yeah, addition, subtraction, multiply, division. These are the 4 methods. This is how you declare a protocol. If you see, it is not having the implementation. Protocols does not contain implementation. Even if you write, see what happens. Protocol methods must not have bodies. Body means this is body. Protocol simply contains method declarations. We said a protocol can contain properties as well, but this is not allowed. See why it is not allowed. Initial value is not allowed. You can declare a property, but you should not assign the value. You can say whether it is gettable or gettable and settable. Okay, we will see the properties again. Protocol is set of method declarations. Now I want to use this protocol. Where to use this protocol? Whoever creates the calculator, whether it could be basic calculator or scientific calculator, or whatever calculator you created, these are the minimum methods it should have. Let me create a class. Basic calculator. I am using this protocol. I want to follow this rules. I am creating calculator. To create a calculator, I must follow some rules. I declared one rules interface. Whoever wants to create a calculator, they must follow these rules, this set of rules declared by the arithmetic protocol. So I'm trying to create the calculator. So I'm trying to adapt to the protocol. This is the way of adapting the protocol. See what is the error here. The type basic calculator does not conform to protocol. Does not conform means it is not following the rules. You said that I'm going to follow this automatic rules, but it is not following because the methods are not implemented. To do so, you just need to see. Simply click and use we want to add protocol steps. This is how you can make it faster. Otherwise, you can simply use the methods. Let me remove one. This is how you can also implement the methods. Here I want to return a plus b. This subtraction a minus b. Here multiply a star b. Here division a by b. I have simply declared one interface that is called protocol. Protocol is set of rules. I want to create the basic calculator. There I want to adapt to the protocol. Either I want to follow the rules. Where I want to follow the rules. So I adapted this protocol. When you adapt the protocol, it was giving error saying that you are not following rules. So I just implemented all these methods. So the error is gone. If you remove one method, it again gives you the error saying that one rule is not followed. Some rules are missed. So whenever you declare the protocol, you must implement all the methods. This is one kind of protocol. Okay, you can also avoid implementing some methods. Let me write. This is clear, right? This is adopting the protocol. You can do the same thing with a scientific calculator or advanced calculator. Advanced calculator. There I want to adopt arithmetic protocol, and I am going to create another protocol. advanced functions protocol, where I want to implement fun power it returns in factorial, again it returns in square root, again it returns in. This is another protocol. Here in advanced calculator, I want to follow the basic rules as well as the advanced rules. This is how you can implement multiple protocols. How to adopt multiple protocols? By separating with the comma, you can adopt multiple protocols. Here it is again saying that some methods are not implemented. So you can use the stops and power. You can return A star A. Return, I'm just writing some random number. Returning some random number. Actually, I need to calculate the factorial of a given number. Here I need to calculate the square root of a given number. Okay. Now the class is happy because we have followed all the rules. Okay. And I want to create one more calculator. Class academic calculator, where I want to follow some of the rules, not all. So here, whatever methods we declared in the arithmetic calculator or advanced functions protocol, all these are required only. If you want to declare them as optional, you have to use the keyword called optional. Let me create a different protocol there. I'm creating another protocol. Optional methods protocol. Control. Optional method one, or else simply driver protocol. Let's say driver protocol. Get license is one method, and so license is another method. Drive is another method. Ride is another method. Here I am creating one bike rider where I want to follow driver protocol. Driver rides the bike in our case. So what I do is I'll make this as optional. And I don't want to implement this. I want to implement only ride. Means basically I just want to show you here the protocol can contain optional methods and required methods. Required methods, you must implement all the required methods. If you ignore any one of the required methods, it gives you the error saying that the class is not following class is not conforms to the protocol. So you have to implement all the methods. Now I want to show you some of the methods which you can ignore by specifying optional. To use the optional, you have to use the Objective-C. Or that Objective-C here, or that Objective-C here, and class keyword here. Then only they accepts. See, without this. Also, you need to use the other object OBJ-C. Now I'm having the bike rider class. Let me implement the steps. Here we have declared drive is optional, so I'm just removing it. Though you remove, you won't get error because we specified The drive method is optional. This is how you can declare optional method in a protocol. If you ignore object to see if you can get any other. It is saying error. For the right, we will see unit to use here. Unit to use here to use the optional methods. Okay. Generally, if you see here, our basic calculator is having 4 methods. I want to add one more method. Plus you can add. This is regular methods. These are protocol methods. These are regular methods. In a class, you can have protocol methods as well as regular methods. Okay. In protocol, you can also declare properties, right? Let me show you how to use the properties. Where price double. This is double. If you simply declare a property, I see what it says. You have to specify whether it is gettable or gettable and settable. So I am setting get set. Get set means I can read the value, I can write the value. Use it with duration. Let's say integer. It is only get. Here it is giving you error because there are 2 properties which you have not implemented. These are the 2 properties we need to use. Basically, these are rules, right? Whenever you specify the rules, whenever any class or any number structure is trying to adapt to that protocol, adapt to the rules, they must follow all the implementations, the required implementations actually. This is a class it is asking for. There is no value here. Use the duration 10 days it is used and the price is $2.99. Here, let me print it here. Let's see. Price, use the duration. It is gettable and it is settable. In a method, you cannot set the use duration. Use duration. Let's say I want to find update use duration. I want to update the use duration equal to plus equal to 1. One day I am increasing. It is not allowed actually because it is not settable, right? Prices get concept. Here we are adopting 2 protocols. I'll this. That's it. I'm just adding the value. Here there are 2 protocols. Arithmetic protocol is having 2 properties. Let's implement them. I'm just assigning some value here. 0, 0. Run and see. We are creating the object is as usual. Let me create this. Let my calculator. Basic calculator. My calculator bracket. Use duration. I'm trying to set 1 day. This is first day.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sorry to interrupt in the middle. This protocol concepts, like if you explain in the real time, in view controllers, we will be having we will be calling different cases now. So if you explain in the Xcode, so it will be fine, I think so.
Yeah, actually, there also we see the how exactly we use them in data. This is the concept. You just need to understand what is the protocol, what are the different methods it has. Okay, how to adapt the protocol? Can you adapt the multiple protocols? How to declare the properties? In view controllers, you won't get the in-depth concept. There we see how to make use of protocols and how to use the existing protocols. But internal concept you need to understand here. That is the reason. We again see them in real time, like the way of using we will see. But in interviews, they will ask you these different kind of questions. So
Yeah.
like
Why? Yeah, why I have asked you see in protocols if you are created in one view controller, if you want that protocol in the model class, or if you have created anything, so if you want to use that protocol, so we have to use that protocol like a inheritance, as you said, like okay, but we have to use that protocol dot delegate dot self, we have to give no at the time only it will trigger, I think so. So
it's just for that we're having separate concept like delegation, where you will see that as well. And the regular protocols you will see while learning view controllers and tail views. There are many other things like navigation controller, tab bar controller, gestures. అక్కడ అవన్నీ చూస్తాం మళ్ళీ. బట్ అంటే మీకు బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అయితే మీకు ఇక్కడ తెలుస్తుంది, ఎందుకంటే మనం రెగ్యులర్ యూజ్ చేస్తుంటాం వీళ్ళు క్లాసెస్లోకి వెళ్ళి చూస్తే మీకు అవన్నీ ప్రోటోకాల్సే ఉంటాయి ఇంటర్నల్గా. కాబట్టి మీకు అవన్నీ
ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్గా బేసిక్స్ చెప్తున్నారా, అంటే మామూలుగా వ్యూ కంట్రోలర్ అలా తీసుకెళ్ళి ఎక్స్కోడ్ మీరు ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో చెప్పేటప్పుడు అది యూజ్ చేస్తా అని చెప్తున్నారా?
అవన్నీ కూడా కవర్ చేస్తాం మనం. మీకు ఇవన్నీ ఏంటంటే బేసిక్ అనుకోండి, బేసిక్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లో ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి అనేసి మీరు డైరెక్ట్ తీసుకెళ్ళి మీకు వ్యూ కంట్రోల్ లేదా ప్రోటోకాల్ ఉంటుంది, సెట్ ఆఫ్ రూల్స్ అంటే మీకు అర్థం అవ్వకపోవచ్చు. ఇవన్నీ బేసిక్స్ మీకు ఫస్ట్ మొత్తం బేసిక్స్ మనం రియల్ టైం మొత్తం ఆ iOS లో వస్తుంది. ఓకే, here I'm trying to set user duration. Still it is accepted. I don't know. Actually we have given this as oops, that is correct. User duration of integer and return 0 days. For this you cannot set the value. Yeah, here I have set it is getter. It only gives you the value. Since I said it is only gives you the value, I am just returning the value while implementing, and while setting it is not allowed because it is get only property. Even if you try to set the value outside, it only says that it is get only property. We have seen computer property. Computer properties can be readable and readable and writable. Same concept here. In protocol, you can have the variables. You can specify whether the variable is get set type or only get, that is readable. Okay, this is clear, right? Which you cannot set. My calculator dot price you can set because it is get and set. Generally, while adopting the protocol in real time, we don't directly use the protocols like this. We use some other concept called extension. By using extension, You can modularize your code. You can prepare different modules for the same class. If you see here, let me show you. If you have in arrays, it is a class of array which is structure. You see here extension. They're adding extension but not using protocol. In some places they use protocols along with extension. Here if you see extension array, this is protocol. I'll show you. That's it. If you go and see, actually it is protocol actually. For adapting the protocol, when you adapt the protocol and implement, while implementing, you use the extension so that these methods will be in the separate bunch. This is the concept of protocol. Protocol